Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video today I want to make a proper review of Dino Busd. Okay, now Dino Busd is one of the new mining sites that a whole lot of guys are actually joining on because there seems to be very legit. Okay, you can see from Monarch app here, you can see that Dino Busd have been running for the past 33 days. And you just come up here and look at their 24 hours evolution. You can see that in the last 24 hours, the initial TVL was 319,357, but it actually jumped to 378,239, okay, just within 24 hours. And that's why you are seeing this plus 18 here, okay, which actually means that a whole lot of people are actually coming into this mining. They're presently, as it is, they are very good. You can see that their fee is 6% and 2%. Withdrawal and deposit fees 6 and 2%. You can see their daily ROI, return on investment, is 8%. You take a whole 8% every day. That is actually huge. Okay, let me just quickly go to Binance Smart Chain BSC scan so that I'll show you that people are actually withdrawing and people are depositing on this particular mining Dino Busd. You can see just a minute ago, claim daily reward. This person actually claim daily reward, claim daily reward, claim daily reward. You can see deposit, claim daily reward, deposits, which tells you that people are actually withdrawing, depositing on this particular mining site, Dino Busd. Now let's go to the analytics. Let me quickly show you so that you see the trend of how this mining is actually going, because I want you to have a good understanding of how this thing actually works before you actually invest your money, if you've not done that before. Okay, now you look at when the mining site actually started. That was in June. Okay, that was in June 23rd. You can see up here, June 23rd. You can see the progression. Look at the progression. It's been climbing since then. There's nothing like the curve coming down. The curve has been climbing, and today you can see where it is today, right? You can see presently they have about 1,194 transactions on Binance. This is huge, right? Now let's go to Dino Busd itself. This is the interface of the website. Now for you to get to this particular interface, there's a link just right below this video. Okay, all you just need to do is for you to click that link below this video, and it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, now as you can see up here, I told you earlier that they actually pay 8%, and you can see this is the 8%. This is the withdrawal fee here. Okay, now you can also read their white paper. Okay, you can click on it and read their white paper. And the website, the mining site, is actually audited. You can come here and click on audit, and it will bring you to this interface. Now you can see the website was actually audited by Interfee. Interfee is one of the respected auditing firm, okay, when it comes to auditing crypto mining and all that. Okay, they actually, let me show you, this is it. Interfee network, they actually audited them. So for you to read the white paper and the audit reports, you can actually just click the link below. Then you come down to Dino here, you click on this Interfee, and it will bring you to this particular interface, and you can read the audit report here. This is the audit report. You can read it yourself so that you know exactly what you are getting yourself into, right? So here on Dino Busd, the minimum deposit on Dino Busd is actually 50 BUSD, which is approximately $50. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to come up here. Okay, you put the amount you want to deposit. Okay, you want to invest with Dino Busd, you put it here. Okay, then here you will see your balance, you see your wallet balance here. Okay, you see how much you've invested. Now, there's something I want you to understand. The profit you're going to take out of this Dino Busd is ×5 of your deposit. Okay, ×5 of your deposit is the maximum profit you're going to take. This is very beautiful because so far for the 33 days it's been running, people have been taking profit and all that, and that's been wonderful. And also there's something called emergency withdrawal. Assuming you put in, let's say you put in $500 in here, and somehow along the line within some days, you discover that you have an urgency of money and you need to take out your money, you can actually come up here and put in the amount you want to take out and you click on emergency withdrawal. But mind you, there are a whole lot of fees that is applicable to you taking out your money on emergency grant. So I wouldn't advise you to do that because you can pay fee up to like 50%, okay, if you want to use the emergency withdrawal, and that will enable you to take out your fund out of this mining site. Okay, now let's assume you put in $500. Okay, you can see what you'll be getting. You'll be getting 40 BUSD, which is like $40 every day. Okay, then if then weekly you'll be getting 280 BUSD, which is $280 every day, every week. And monthly you'll be getting 1,200 BUSD, which is $1,200 every month. Okay, so every day all you just need to do, remember, you have to come up here and claim. Now you have that $40, assuming you put in $500 every day, you get this 40 BUSD up here, which is $40. Then you come here every day, every 24 hours actually. Is 24 hours every day. You come here, you click on claim, right? Then you click on claim, it's going to come down here and it's going to show you the next time that you're going to claim again. You can see next claim is going to show you here, right? Then it's going to show you your available balance that you can withdraw. Now, for this website to be sustainable, for this mining site to be sustainable, they actually allow you to withdraw 50% of your accumulated withdrawable fund. Okay, let's assume for the week, because you're expected to like accumulate your earning, okay, for a week, for 6 days. Then the 7th day you can decide to take. Okay, so this $40 you keep claiming it till like 6 days. Then the 7th day, after you must have accumulated up to $280, assuming you are using $500, so you must have accumulated up to $280. Then you can now come here and you claim. Okay, you withdraw. Now withdrawing, you will not be able to withdraw the $280. You can only withdraw half of it. That is why you see 50% allowed here, right? If we use our calculator and we check what you'll be getting if you are to withdraw, let's assume you are to withdraw the 50%, okay, out of it. Let's say you have $280 and you have to withdraw 50% of it. Let's see what you'll be getting. You'll be getting $140, which is very, very huge. Okay, so every week, if you put in $500, every week you'll be taking out $140. And mind you, before the end of a month, you must have taken out your full capital, right? With additional interest. Then the remaining one you keep taking is just profit, profit, profit. Now you might want to ask, what happens to the 50% that you'll be left here? What will happen is this: the next week, the next week that is coming forth, after you must have taken 140 days, another 140 that is left here, right? Then you're going to claim. Then when you get to that other $280, okay, then you're going to say, this is the 140 that is the leftover for the previous week. Then you're going to add plus 280, another 280 for the incoming week. Then you're going to have $420, right? Then this $420, you're going to take half of it again. So which is divided by 2. Then you're going to take $210. You can see. So that is how your withdrawable amounts keep increasing. Okay, you keep increasing by the week. Okay, so that is the beauty of this particular mining site. Now, the reason why they do this 50% withdrawable is to make the website last long, make the project sustainable, right? That is the major reason. And I believe you and I want this project to be sustainable, and that's the reason why they put it that way, okay? Now, you can also make additional income by inviting your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, your business partners. You just take your link here, okay? You take your referral link here and you give it to people. And when they join, okay, you get 10% of their deposit, right? You can see referral reward is 10%, right? You keep getting that one and you can withdraw it whenever you've accumulated it, okay? I believe these are the necessary things you need to know about this particular website. Like I rightly told you, a whole lot of people actually joining. You can see the evolution, 18%. If you check through, if you check through Monarch app, okay, I think they are the second highest evolution aside BNB World Cup, right? They are the second. So it's a very good website to actually start mining BUSD and start taking profit, okay? Now, all I've said is not actually a financial advice, okay? I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you, making a review, okay? Making a review, believing that my review is to an extent genuine, and I believe that you're going to pick one or two ideas from my review to take your decisions, okay? Now, I'm going to leave a link to this particular mining sites, this Dino Busd, right below this video. So just make sure you click on that link so that it will bring you to this particular website. And also remember, if you got value from this particular video, I want you to like the video, okay? And also remember to subscribe to this channel so that when next I post an update about Dino Busd and about other valuable videos, you'll get to be the first to see it, okay? I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Remember to give it a like, okay? And also let me know what you think about this particular mining site right in the comment section, okay? Take care of yourself and bye-bye.